What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for being here again. So today's video is going to be a little bit weird because, you know, being a tech YouTuber or a YouTuber in general, a lot of times companies will hit you up and just honestly want to send you stuff so you can test it out on your channel. And sometimes, you know, sometimes I like it, sometimes I don't. But in this case, there's sometimes things that just look so interesting, I just can't help myself. So this is a little package sent from this company called Loftek, and they make a really cool light that you could add to your gaming setup that I think you guys will be very interested in. So let's go ahead and roll the intro and I will get right into what this thing does. Let's go. Alright, you guys know that I'm no stranger to things that you can add to your gaming setup, so honestly there's always something that I'm looking for to maximize and enhance my gaming setup, so I feel like this could actually add a little bit more. So I'm just going to go ahead and honestly unbox it right here in front of you guys. So let's get into the box here. So just a standard cardboard box with their name on it. So it looks like we got two different things. So we got the bag, looks like we got the directions, a charging cable, and it looks like a remote to control everything. Same kind of similar remote you'd get with like an RGB strip you'd buy off Amazon or something like that. So that's really cool. Looks like you can actually control it like that, so that's awesome. And then the actual light itself, and it is a cube. So it's actually pretty cool. It's plastic and looks really cool. It's honestly very simple, but it's something that I feel like I could set on my desk and just it adds that much more, like a little light or a little bit, something that looks really cool. I can actually use this to put in the background for product photography and product videography. That's the main reason I wanted one of these, and you guys can use it for the exact same reason. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug this thing in over here, and I'm gonna show you guys how you guys can use this.
A few moments later.
Alright, well I got it on the charger so I can actually use it real quick. And that was as simple as just literally plugging in the charger in the bottom right here, pressing the button, the on button, and there it goes. It's on and the colors are happening. And you can use the controller right here to turn it off, turn it back on, change the colors, whatever you want to do. It's basically the same as using any kind of like RGB strip. Very simple. It's got a flash, strobe, fade, and a smooth function you can use to display different types of lighting. And if you guys can't really tell very well, you know what, because my key light right here is pretty bright, let me go ahead and turn this off real quick. There we go. Now you guys can actually see it. So this thing is actually best used in a dark type situation, but now it looks really freaking cool. Look at this. It's like a freaking little orb. And then if I take, you know what, it won't die right now. So let me take this off. Look at this. It's like a little magic cube. This thing is pretty awesome. I can definitely see a lot of cool uses for this. Not only just like I could put it on my setup back here. See, like, and it'll just look cool on my desk. But I could also use it to like light up products. Like, say, here's a camera lens. Like, you know, you can put it around the top and the sides of it like this, and like maybe even set it on top and just, you know, do some kind of product photography like that. Very cool. It's a very simple product. There's not very much to show about it because it's very simple. But I think, one, it'll actually make your gaming setup look really awesome if you guys have this. And two, if you guys are a photographer or a videographer like me, it can be something that can add a really cool touch to the background scene of your guys' videos or your photos. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this. Again, check the description down below. There's going to be a discount code for you guys, so you guys can go pick up your own. And it doesn't just work on this product, it'll work on all of Loftek's products that are on their site, a bunch of their new stuff. So it'll be linked down below so you guys can go get this for yourself and have a really good time setting up your gaming setup. I hope you guys find something that really helps you guys out. I gotta figure out where I'm gonna actually set this thing on my desk. You guys will probably see it in the next video I put out. So this was a short and sweet one, guys, but I really wanted to just give you guys a little look at this thing, and I wanted to showcase it for the manufacturer because they graciously sent this one over to me. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys do like this content, give the video a like. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Get the notifications on so you guys can be notified when more stuff like this comes out, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.